Welcome back to us. Thank you, Remo. It's very impressive, right? As you know, we are manufacturing with the elevators. So today our topic is one of our most popular products, our villa lift. Leo.
Yes, yesterday Remo and the kid already introduced the more product for WINONE, and I believe more people understand WINONE products and cultures, like passenger lifter, cargo lifter, hospital lifter, and others lifter. But today we will introduce and focus on is the villa lifters.
Yes, right. As you know, now more and more people have their villas, and we need to caring about our old people, and in future we also will getting old. But when we're getting old, it will be inconvenient for us to going up and down. So it is very necessary for us to have a villa lift.
Yes, so let's introduce the concept of villa lifters, useful and advantage of villa lifters.
Yes, first let me begin. For our villa lift, we just need a very small shaft. Our minimum shaft size is only 1.2 meter by 1.2 meter. The overhead is only 3.1 meter, and we can have only 0.3 meter pitch. Besides, we can also have a bell-typed elevators with our latest motor, which can provide our elevator a very stable running, low noise running, and power saving.
Yes, the WINONE villa lift is used the villa adopt new cabin structures and combine advanced belt geared machine, also frequency conversion control, and belt transmission system for door operators. So it's add more humanize the customers. Yes, so we can realize the landing correctly and make you feel good and comfortable.
Yes, besides that, for the villa lift, we have a better decorations also. We have a better decorations for our landing doors, and cabins. You know, this is a home lift. It should be have a home-like decorations.
Yes, so we can see for many beautiful cabin sizes in WINONE catalogs. And now I introduced the villa lifters cabin. You can find not only hairlines and mirror, but also many golden. This is traditional cabin. In Chinese and Western cabin. And kid, what do you like style? Chinese and Western?
I think I can accept both.
Okay, so many from Chinese customers and from Western customers, especially Muslim, also we have the customers for design for them.
Yes, apart from the cabin design, we also have special design for the villa's COP. The COP is the cabin control panel. Except for the traditional one, we also have the handrail type. What is the handrail type? The handrail type COP is the handrail together with the push button, and we can also have the video display, and also the voice announcement for our lift. And if you want to know more, you can check from our website and our catalog. You will have more ideas.
Yes, as we know, because the villa lift is adopted in the villa, so we can find the cabin is so small, but also the speed is too slowly also, maybe about only 0.4 meters per second.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And apart from that, our villa's capacity usually designed from 320 kilogram to 400 kilogram. And because of the limitation of the villa, we can also customize for you. You can just provide us your shaft size, like the shaft depth, the shaft width, and height for each floor. But what if you don't have a shaft inside your villa? It's no problem also. We can also provide you the shaft structure. You can put the shaft structure inside your villa or outside the villa. I think this can help our customer to solve a lot of problems, right?
Yes, so good news. Yes, in Chinese economic and other country economic now development and improved. I believe and more people like use the villa lifter in the future.
Yes.
We will have a strong team to design and making the villa lifters in order to push forward the numbers of the villa in the futures. We want also push the new brand Yuejia in the futures. And so many people like this one too much.
Yes, we are specialized in the high-end villa products and also the private cups. Our machine roomless villa lift is using 220 single-phase power, and our motor's power consumption is only about 1 point something kilowatt.
Oh.
It's very power saving.
Oh, so good. But what about installation and maintenance? Kid, you know, because our lift export to so many countries, different countries, different installation. So how about deal with this issue?
Don't worry about this one. As you know, our department established more than 10 years, and during this period of time, we already export our products to more than 70 countries and regions. And in this area, we have our agents. They can help you for the installation, the commissioning, the troubleshooting, and the maintenance. And what if we don't have agent in your area? It's not a problem. I think you will have the elevator installation company in your area. And we also have our technical supporting team. You can ask your engineer to communicate directly with our engineer, and our engineer can give you professionals the solutions to your questions.
Yes, dear my friend and dear customer, so don't worry about the installation and the maintenance.
Yes,
We'll
right.
give you the good and the best service for you.
Yes. Besides that, our villa lift is very high quality also. We have the standard C certificate for the European countries. We have JKKP for Malaysia. We have EAC for Russian countries, for Russians. And also we can make our villa lift meet the Australian standard.
Okay, so good. So it's very, very useful. And this because WINONE very place the important for this team.
Yes.
The team is very strong.
Yes.
And WINONE also invest a lot of capital to design and train new engineer for the futures.
Yes.
So we can provide a good quality lifter, especially
Right.
the villa lifters.
Yes, right. So we are also expecting you can come to our factory to have a look in the future.
Yes, by the way, kid, and we know that we want a good brand not only in China, but also export to so many countries.
Yes, as I mentioned before, we have exports to more than 70 countries and regions, and we gain a lot of trust from our customers.
Oh, it's good. In addition to fair, experienced customers, and we also continue to give the best service for the new customers in the future, especially new technology and new product in the future.
Yes, exactly. So now seems we have some ideas of our villa lifts already, right?